First of all, I want to know what happened from this guy to this guy. I mean, come on. You lost all your hair, and now you look like Mr. Egghead. That's probably why you got the Miss Universe thing all wrong. Everybody flamed you for that, and now I'm flaming you. This is the roasting video. Let's get into it. There's two reasons why I'm flaming this guy right now. One, look at the hairline. And two, this dude got a flip phone. A flip phone, and he's taking a mirror picture. Let me think right now. Oh my god. Just why? Why? This kid just messed up my mind completely right now. Oh my god. This dude looks like LeBron James before he got the surgery for his hairline. Come on. Fix that crap up! I'm not gonna roast Carlos Boozer right now because the picture already roasted him and his hair. Steelers. Yeah! Right now, in the comments below, I want you to tell me which one looks more like ramen noodles. The one on the left, the one on the right. Let's wait. I knew I was right. The one on the left looks like more ramen noodles. Come on. Yeah, that's... I'm right now. I'm right. Oh my god. I legit just found this picture right now and I had to put it in. I think this was the inspiration for Squidward to get made. Yeah, I could see it. Oh my god. What the hell? Oh my. I'm not trying to say that. I'm not trying to lie right now. No. Wait. I'm done roasting? Because these pictures roast themselves. I mean, you know what? That's it for the roast video. Oh my god. Good night. I love you.